Good morning, class. Welcome back to our math online class. I wish everyone have a happy Friday. So I have a short quote here. Forget all the bad things you have encountered this week and have a great weekend. Are you excited for the weekend, class? Yes, I know you are excited. Okay, so let's have a review first of our lesson last time. So last time we studied about skip counting by 2 and skip counting by 5. So this morning we are going to focus only skip counting by 5. Okay, how to skip counting by 5 again, class? So you just need to add 5 numbers into the next number to get the exact number. Okay, so for example, we have here, we start from 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So that's how you're going to count skip by 5. So 5, 10, 15. Now let's do the numbers below. Okay, so let's start with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so that is how you're going to skip counting by 5. And let's practice more how to skip counting by 5. Okay, we have the missing numbers here and you need to fill in the blank. What is the missing number? Okay, everybody skip counting by 5. Let's start. 5, 10. What is the missing number? The missing number is 15. All right, so 15, 20, 25. What is the missing number? Missing number is 30. Okay, so 30, 35. What's next to 35? It is 40. Okay, how about next to 40? That is 45. And next to 45, it is 50. And next to 50, it's 55. Okay, last number is 60. Again, class, let's count the numbers. Everybody, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, great. Now let's practice more about skip counting by 5. Okay, it's the same activity. You need to fill up what is the missing number. Skip counting by 5. Okay, ready? Okay, let's have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right. Okay, class, this is keep counting by 5 until 100. Again, let's do it one more time, everybody. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, great job. Now, last activity. This time, class, I'm going to use an odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers. Okay, because this one add an even, right? And it started with 5. Now, let's make it different. So let's start with number 2. Skip counting by 5. So 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. All right, what is the missing number next to 22? Skip counting by 5. So it becomes 27. Yes, it becomes 27. Next, 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. What is the next number? It becomes 28. Yes, it becomes 28. Skip counting by 5. Okay. 9, 14, 19, 24. What is the missing number? The missing number is 29. Yes. Okay, number 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. So very easy. The next number is 20. Sorry, this next number here is 25. Okay, 25. Next, number 5, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. What is the missing number? It's 31. Okay, it's 31. So that's all about skip counting by 5. Okay, we still have one more. So number 1, 22. 27, 32, 37, 42. The next number is 47. Okay, here 33, 38, 43, 48, 53. Next number is 58. And for number 3, we have 54, 59, 64, 69, 74. It becomes 79. Number 4, 15, 20, 25, 30. The number is 35. Okay, next, number 5, 76, 81, 86, 91, 96. The next number is 101. All right, class, that's all about skip counting by 5. I hope you are now familiarized and master how to do the skip counting by 5. That's all for today. I hope you have a great Friday and have a great weekend. Goodbye, class. See you again this afternoon. Pali, 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 pali.